Hi guys, in today's video, safety. More importantly, refrigerator safety. A small task you can include into your weekly checks to make sure you stay safe on the road. Coming right up. Okay guys, before we start, I just want to point out I'm not making this video to alarm anybody. I just want to show how easy it is to take a few precautions to prevent a major disaster. Now I know there's been a lot of talk in the news recently about the knowhow refrigerators catching fire and burning RVs to the ground, which is terrible. Now, even if you don't have a knowhow, there's still a risk involved with these refrigerators. Of course, it's the one appliance that's used most of the time when you're on the road or boondocking and you don't have a 110 power supply. In fact, a lot of RV manufacturers suggest that you switch off your refrigerator while you're driving. For this reason alone, we should all be taking extra precaution to make sure the area I'm about to show you is kept clear of debris and leaves at all times. Okay, first job we need to do, make sure the refrigerator is switched off inside to prevent any propane being pulled through. Okay, so now we're outside our RV. The first thing we're looking for is the back of the refrigerator, which looks something like this. So we'll go ahead and take the cover off. This is the guts of the refrigerator where all the action happens. So I like to unplug it just for extra safety. This is the wind protector and the burner tube where the flame is created that cools your refrigerator. Now it's very important that this area is kept clean at all times, and it's very simple to do. There are 3 screws that I've already removed just here. That takes off the main wind deflector. There's a smaller wind protector inside with 1 screw I've already removed. We just want to take this off carefully, and now we can get to the affected area. So now we have access to this area where the burner tube is. You can clearly see where the flame would be. Now, like any good campfire, twigs and leaves burn very easily, and it's no different here. It's important that this is kept clean and tidy of debris at all times. Now what you don't want to do is take a high pressure hose and just go at it like crazy. I see some people doing this. It's not good. There's a lot of things in here that are fragile. The best thing to do is just to take a simple vacuum cleaner and just literally suck all the debris out. If you need to, get a small toothbrush or even a paintbrush and just gently prise the debris away and just vacuum it up. The other thing you'll notice happening here is the rust. Of course, the flue gets hot, and then as you're driving down the interstate or the road, wherever it may be, the rust falls down into this area, collects and causes a clog and could possibly block the burner tube. So one thing I like to do occasionally is just take a simple small wire brush and just gently break off, not too hard, just gently break off some of the rust that's building up and vacuum it away. Okay, so now we're happy that we've cleaned it out. I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in, put the flame on and see what it looks like. You can see there is a nice blue flame. This is what you're looking for. That shows that the burner tube is clear of debris and it's burning well. If it's yellow, then it needs to be cleaned out inside. Okay, so as you could see, my flame was nice and blue and burning bright, but if it was a bit yellow, you could just take a simple piece of tube or even a straw and just put it up against the burner tube and gently blow any debris out. But honestly, it's not wise to use 110 psi to blow this out. Okay, I'm sure you're okay to put it back together. If that was helpful, please go ahead and give us a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more RV know-how.